This chart shows how that sample dataset called DippingBedrock.dat was generated. There were originally total 20 field files or field records were generated, but all of them were formatted and combined together to make this one file called DippingBedrock.dat. So whenever you import this dataset, you have to choose formatted seismic data, not seg2 seismic data. And this chart shows, for example, the first field record or the first record number 1, had 24 channel receiver array located here with the receiver spacing of 1.5 meter and the source offset of 9 meter. So source was located here, and then the entire source receiver configuration moved each time by 9 meters 19 times to generate these total 20 field records included in that DippingBedrock.dat. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to run source receiver setup for sample dataset called DippingBedrock.dat, which is used to practice generating 2D velocity cross-section. I go to Setup Source and Receiver here, and then choose From Formatted Seismic Data. I select this DippingBedrock.dat, and then I click Run Wizard, and I confirm there are total 20 records in the file, and I also confirm distance unit of meter, and then I click Next, and I choose Active because it was active MASW data, and then it was 1D receiver array, which was a linear receiver array, and then I choose this one for the first record number 1. Source was located off the first channel number 1, and then the source offset was 9 meter, and then go to Next, and I confirm this is the correct information, and go to Next, and here I select this one because both source and receiver array moved after collecting one record at one location. Then I specify the moving direction, which was here. In other words, source and receiver configuration moved towards receiver array. By how much? It moved by 9 meters each time. And go to Next. And this is the place where I specify my field coordinates, which can be arbitrary and only for my own reference. My surface coordinate 0 meter starts from the first channel of first field record number 1, increases this direction. And then these are the station numbers, and I choose to put 1001 here and then 1002 here, like this. Whenever you change any numbers within these 4 edit boxes, you may need to hit enter a few times to update accordingly all other numbers, and then go to Next, and I review all this information and I confirm this is correct and move to Next. Here I specify begin and end the record as the entire range of the records included in the input file. So I now click Run, specify output file name, and then it will show me this chart, which shows the correct configuration that I was planning to encode. So this is correct. And this is the end of the source receiver setup for sample dataset DippingBedrock.dat.